Ya estamos en Animal Kingdom, vamos a entrar al... ¿Quieres una foto ahí?
Sí.
Yo quiero ir a los juegos y ella quiere una foto ahí.
Sí.
Bueno, vamos.
Well, and not standing in your lap or the seat next to you with you holding on to them. And does everybody remember that part at the beginning of The Lion King where Rafiki holds Simba way up high for all the animals to see? Awesome. Please don't do that with your kids either. This first area that we are waiting to enter is called the Little Aturi Forest. You'll want to keep your eyes peeled here as the animals hit the forest. You may notice their horns point backwards. This allows them to move very quickly through dense forest and vegetation. Oh, and there's a baby down there. Oh, there's a black rhino. The black rhino can weigh 3,000 pounds. Their horns can be 4 feet long. They can charge 35 miles an hour. We're really lucky to see a black rhino. They have sadly been poached nearly to extinction. There's only about 5,000 left in the entire world, including those in captivity. He's not showing us his good side, is he? Tell them these ones are female because males have horns and females do not. The males have also got these super awesome beards that I'm really jealous about.
Tomar fotos.
No. Oh yeah, way over here on the left, back in the trees, there's 2 saddle-billed storks. These saddle-billed stork can stand up to 5 feet tall and have a wingspan of 8 to 9 feet. So they taller. Over here on the island on our left, we have some pink-backed pelicans. They get their name from the pink color that appears on their backs during mating season. The group of pelicans is collectively referred to as a pod. Oh, there's a hippo over here behind the island just ahead of that pelican. Despite being very agile swimmers, hippos prefer to walk on the bottom of the river whenever possible. They'll come up out of the water at night to feed, using their tough lips to pull the grass up out of the ground. Hippos can eat up to 150 pounds of grass per night. Body temperature regulation. They actually release their excess body heat through their mouths when they're overheated. A group of crocodiles is known as a bask when they're on land, and they can float when they're in the water. And we are now moving on to the savannah. The savannah is a completely different ecosystem with some different animals than we've seen so far. Coming up here on our left by the giraffes, first we have 2 female water bucks. Water bucks usually live in aquatic areas and don't normally migrate very far. Their skin secretes an oil that makes their coat almost completely waterproof, which allows them to swim with great speed. And then behind them, those 2 larger animals are female Patterson's elands. The Patterson's eland is one of the largest antelope in Africa. A male can weigh 2,000 pounds, and when startled, they'll jump 6 to 8 feet straight up in the air. Got another female Maasai and a baby male Maasai. Ooh, does everyone see how this one back there raising its head under the branch has a distinctly different coat from all the others? That one is a reticulated giraffe. It gets its name from the Latin word reticulata, which means net, referring to the pattern on its coat. Reticulated and Maasai giraffes are 2 of 9 separate subspecies of giraffe. The tribe that first domesticated them. Their horns can be 6 feet long and are part of a natural cooling system for their bodies. Blood circulating through their horns will help disperse their excess body heat.
I think I got some on there. Mira, qué bonitas.
Here at Harambe, our researchers are studying elephants' vocalization patterns so we can learn to better understand how they communicate with each other and hopefully better understand their needs.
manada.
Ya sé.
Nunca he visto sin manada.
Todos
Who does
juntitos.
anybody know what a group of flamingos is called?
Mira, qué
Of
bonito.
flamboyance. Or they can also be known as a stand. These are greater flamingos. They're the largest, lightest pink species of flamingo. When they hatch, they're a dirty gray color, and as they get older, they get their pink from the carotene in their diets, which is primarily brine shrimp and other small crustaceans. Black with white stripes or white with black stripes. If you said black with white stripes, you are correct, which we can see by looking at the black patch of fur on their noses and mouths. Zebras also have incredibly strong hind legs. They can kick with enough force to break the jaw of an attacking lion or crocodile. And when a zebra calf is born, it will be able to walk within minutes, so within a few hours of birth, it will be running with the herd. Oh, and making its way over here through the... coming down the trail on our right, we've got a bontebok. Bonteboks are sadly extinct in the wild and can only be found on reserves, such as this one. It can also appear to look almost purple in bright sunlight due to an oily secretion named from the Afrikaans word fight, which actually means wide, referring to their wide square-shaped mouth, and has nothing to do with their skin color whatsoever. They can weigh 4,000 to 6,000 pounds. Anybody know what a group of rhinos is called? A crash. Oh, and here's a couple lions asleep up here on the left. Lions are usually most active at night. They do have incredible night vision. They can see up to 6 times farther in the dark than we can. And it is the females that do most of the hunting for the pride, but the male will help take down larger prey. It's kind of hard to line up a good picture here for everybody, so I'm just going to creep by slow, and you can try to snap your picture as we go by. It's required from their food. And sadly, despite flourishing in captivity, adults are critically endangered. There is an estimated less than 300 left in the wild. Their primary threats are illegal hunting and competition for resources with farming. And we are unfortunately nearing the end of our trek. Pretty soon I will be dropping you off at the nearest warden's post, and from there your adventure continues down the Pangani Forest Exploration Trail, where you might find gorillas.
Patos que se miran chistosos.
I saw them eating.
Estamos entrándonos en la jungla. Con los-
It's sharp nails.
It's just trying to get out.
Mira.
Es un dragón.
Let's see the back.
Ooh, Dad, look, there's spiders.
Yeah, I think that's what they eat, right?
Mira.
Nam, nam. So, ¿cómo está? Los murciélagos son importantes. El cráneo de un vampiro pterópodo. Los que son zorros con alas. Qué bonitos. Fuck tomar fotos, no pasa nada. Charote, tirando la hueva. Ay, se van.
Yeah, there's still more stuff you guys see.
Mira, ahí vienen.
I'm standing on something, Papa.
He's bringing it into his nasal passage.
These elk, Peter? Yeah. The elks here are the big ones. The little ones are black. Elks here.
Mira, ahí viene uno.
C'est bon, Sébastien.
What is captain?
Más dinosaurios allá. Dark places and scary dinosaurs. Adiós.
Breaking out of
Hello.
Hey.
Sí, ya está hambre. Mira, ahí va Blancanieves. Estamos en busca de la turkey leg y ya la encontré.
Ah, mira, esto. Ah, pero es Puy Tigre. ¿Quieres ver a Puy Tigre otra vez?
No, no.
Sí.
Ahí están Doc y Russell.
Ah, ¿dónde?
Allá, donde hizo Doc y Russell.
Vamos a conocerlos. Vamos a empezar a la comida.
You guys want to go potty over here by the restaurant?
Mira la vista que tenemos. El Monte Everest.
Es una turkey leg. Está muy rica, pero está demasiado gigante.
No sé por qué los gringos están muy comedores, son muy comedoras. Están muy buenas, están muy buenas. Ya. Y ahí nos vamos a ir ahorita. Después echamos el pavo.